Narrative layouts feel more dynamic when you control both direction and spacing with frames. Today, how to create narrative layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert multiple frames in a diagonal or zigzag sequence across the canvas. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully to maintain continuity. Select the background and apply a soft neutral tone. Add small arrows or line elements between frames to indicate progression, reducing their opacity for subtlety. Use position tools to maintain equal spacing while keeping the directional flow. Add minimal captions using a clean font. This narrative layout creates